just do this, and these are just examples. If you require this, oftentimes I will just put an email address in and set up your autoresponder. So recapture, we are going to say, we'll just say are disabled. So we're going to save the changes here. Now, when you do this, what you want to do, folks, is go to, again, go back to appearances, go to editor, and what you will see, and we're going to just introduce you, we're going to introduce you to the, we're just going to introduce you real quick to this. This is like your, this is like the actual HTML code for the theme. But we'll go here and we'll see what we have going on here, and this is actually it. But let's go to settings. Let's go back. Let's go to plugins. Actually, let's go to plugins, and we'll go to install plugins because there's something you have to see here. Now that we've activated it, we put our information in. Go to edit, and right here, your plugin files. If you want more information on any plugin, go to the plugin on your plugin menu, and then go to editor. And what's really important to know what a plugin does, or if you need to do anything at all, is go to contact us. On this one, readme.txt, but all plugins really have readme.txt. It's like it's just a text file with instructions and an overview. And what you will see here is typically contributors, who made it, the email, well, the WordPress.org plugin address, and then it'll give you some particulars. But what you want to do is basically you want to understand what it is you have to do. Now, this will be irrelevant by the time you install, but what is relevant is that you go to, you keep scrolling down. You keep scrolling down, and right here you have change logs, which it tells you that what's been changed, and recapture options, and just familiarize yourself with exactly what it is that you want your plugin to do. Now it's going to tell you this: once you've defined a contact email address using the short code, you want to copy this. You want to copy the short code. So you want to look for this particular thing with each plugin to know what it is that you have to do. Then you want to go to pages, and as you can see, we haven't created our contact page yet. So we are going to go ahead and create that right now. If this is relative to your business, hit the HTML, paste in your short code, and then publish. So let's go see. Let's see if it actually let's see if this thing actually this particular plugin actually worked, because a lot of times what you will find out is that these, for whatever reason, the plugin won't work, and you have to keep on you just have to keep on keeping on with finding a plugin that does work. But most of the time on WordPress.org they do. So here you have it. So right here is the product information, and what we'll do is a test here. We can't remember. We'll say AdWords back now. This is one of our email addresses. We won't put our phone, and then we'll just send the message, and we'll see if the plugin actually works. Your message has been sent. So what we will do here is, just to make sure there's no issues with the plugin, and if there is, we'll stop this video tutorial right now, and we'll reconvene when we fix the issue. We're not going to fix that issue on camera here, because that is kind of beyond the scope, and it's going to require us to get into that code and do a couple of adjustments, which is beyond. We don't want to confuse you, or we certainly don't want you working with that. Now, here it is. Hold on. Let's try to log in here again, and not letting us log in. Let's try it again. Now, here it is. So this is something that you definitely want to do. Send it to one of your own email addresses, and this was actually what we sent from here. So now that we know the plugin is, we know the Contact Us plugin is working, we'll go back to the home page, and what you will see so far is, as far as pages go, we have Contact Us, we have the Contact Us page. Obviously, we have the home page. We have the privacy page, which we showed you how to make a privacy policy page. So folks, it is really that simple. Let's go back one more time to the plugin page, and then we'll go back to the dashboard real quick, and we'll go to the plugins, and we want you to remember, we just want you to remember those things. So just please remember, once you install the plugin, if it's Contact Us anyway, you want to check for it here and see, is the plugin here, whatever plugin, or check and see if it's a standalone plugin. So let's go back to our dashboard, and folks, that is all there is. Now, we again want to remind you before we close here on this particular video tutorial to only establish a Contact Us page if two things: if your business demands it, but if it's not direct affiliate sales or something like that, and two, if you have the support to respond to that. So that ends your video tutorial on setting up a Contact Us page with WordPress.